Welcome back to Smile Face 300 channel. Today we'll bring you some exciting experience. Have fun at Yas Marina Circuit, fun at Yas Kartzone. Yas Kartzone located at Yas Marina Circuit, Yas Island West, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. After registration completed, they provide us some information by watching all regulation and standard during the driving.
Or obstruction on the circuit. Please reduce your speed. Watch out for the incident and wait to stop if needed.
Yas Kartzone offer non-stop trail for all ages, open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. midnight. Yas Kartzone have 1 kilometer track, 3 track option with more than 45 karts. Pricing standard online adult from 120 dirham, while junior 80 dirham and kids 55 dirhams. Kids can drive in Bambino karts. The category is 5 to 7 years old with 8 minutes track session. While in the session, we bring our kids to the junior category that provide access to 7 until 13 years old and with 12-minute session in junior karts. Yas Kartzone is part of Yas Marina Circuit. Follow the current standard rules, follow the stated precautionary, and apply the social guideline. The additional that we should have is training shoes, which is mandatory, no high heels or sandals. Ramadan, they also open 7 days a week. And to know more, please visit the website and you may find all offers that applicable. No driving license is needed when we drive the kart. And if you can see, some of our kids is the first time driving in karts. Have a try and let kids enjoy the junior karting, or if you have a kid below 8, they can enjoy kids category. At the end, you may find all result. Then we'll send through your email for the best driver and best time. Yas will post also in leaderboard. Please have a try and enjoy new experience in karting.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to Smiley Face 300 channel. See you on the next video.